This demonstration is Determination of Specific Gravity of Soil Solids, ASTM D854. Specific gravity of soil solids is defined as the mass density of the mineral solids in soil normalized relative to the mass density of water. To perform the measurement, you need a few items. Number one, you need a precision scale capable of measuring to the nearest hundredth of a gram. Number two, you need some oven-dried soil. Here I just have some poorly graded Ottawa sand. You need a flask, graduated to some level. This one has an etch mark corresponding to 500 milliliters. You need a funnel, because you're going to be putting sand and water into the flask. You need some distilled water at a constant temperature, preferably room temperature, easy to measure. And you need some vacuum source. Here I have a tubing connected to a vacuum, which will fit into the top of the flask. In order to perform the measurement, this is what you do. Step one is you obtain the mass, the net mass of the soil. It should be about 60 grams. It doesn't have to be exactly 60 grams, but it should be close, and you need to record the exact number. And this corresponds to m sub naught, the mass of the dry soil, oven-dried soil. The next thing you do is you take your flask, and you're going to fill it to the etch mark with distilled water. In order to get right to the etch mark, you can use a squeeze bottle. There we go. And now we'll obtain the mass of the flask filled with distilled water. And that mass is m sub A.